Aight, let's clear the air, cause I see people mess this up every day. You finally pay off a credit card and you like, I'm done with this, let me close it out. Sounds responsible, right? Wrong. You just shot your credit in the foot and asked it to run a marathon. See, credit ain't just about debt, it's about data. The system looking at your habits like a nosy neighbor. When you close an old account, you erase part of your good history. That's like deleting your best report card off your record. You lose the proof you've been solid. Credit history makes up about 15% of your score. They want to see how long you've been playing the game. Old accounts show you seasoned. They say, yo, this person been holding it down for years. When you close that, your average age drops. You look brand new again, like you just got your first card yesterday. And lenders don't trust newbies. They want veterans. Now let's talk utilization, that other sneaky piece. When you close a card, you lose that available credit. Say you got 3 cards, total limit 10K, and you owe 2Ks. That's 20% utilization. Good vibes. But if you close 1 card worth 5K, now you got 5K limit with 2K owed, that's 40%. Your utilization just doubled. Score drops like your Wi-Fi signal in a tunnel. So sometimes that I'm being smart move is really the reason your credits start looking funny. Now, if the card got a crazy annual fee, cool. You can call the bank and ask for a product change. That means they switch the card type but keep the same account open. Boom. You save the history and the money. That's the grown folk play right there. But don't just cancel a card out of emotion, because your credit report don't care about your feelings. So what do you do instead? Keep it open, use it for something small, gas, Netflix, whatever, and pay it off every month. That keeps the account active without debt. That's how you build trust quietly while everybody else trying to fix their credit loud. Remember, length of credit plus low utilization plus no drama, power moves. And next time somebody say, I closed all my cards because I'm debt-free, just smile and think,